Hey guys, back here at the pile of outboards looking for possibly some ignition coils from my one. There's a lot of bits here. A V6 two-stroke, bit stuffed. Lots of little bits and pieces. They're all pretty stuffed, 6 horsepower ones. This one here is the same as what I've got, just bigger and equally stuffed. Hopefully the coils are the same inside. It's got the same size collar, but it's got all these other electrical wires going down there, so it might be a new one. Okay, well that one's got good spark. I might try popping the flywheel on that one, and there's more buried in there too. And bingo was his name-o. There's a 6. Don't know if the ignition's okay on it, but I'll try. And I'll try and pull the bits off that one too, and whatever else is in here. There's got to be more. Yeah, this one's a newer one with coils on the outside. Probably electronic trigger. A big V8 here too, on top of everything. 260. Probably a Ford. Bloody hell, it's big. Gotta move it before I can get anything out. Okay, well this one has spark. It's not tremendous, but it works. So that's a goer. Yeah, this one's a tight one. You can't just belt it off. They are on a tapered shaft, but I've got to pull this one off with a puller and a hammer. Hooray, I think they're the same. The flywheel looks similar inside, it's just got more mass. But these ones had good spark. The condensers look the same too. I'll see if that whole top assembly just unbolts. Should. Okay, well fortunately the leads on these aren't too bad, although that bit there's a bit suspect. It's clamped in, but they were working when I took it off, so I can resurrect those caps. These ones here have to come off, along with that linkage and other crap. That all comes out with 4 screws. And just disconnect these from the condensers and the points. Okay, well it doesn't look like the leads are attached to the coils. They just have a little needle-like piercing thing inside which goes down the guts of it. That's good. I'll leave those leads on. Okay, well I think that's how the old coils are going to come off. It just fell apart. It's a little needle output. And there we go. It's time to clean and re-gap points and put the little felt thing there, a bit of an oil, and put it back together again. See if she runs. Quick spark test. Damn it. It's working. Good. better. Still having carburation problems. I'm going to have to pull the carby off and clean it. Think someone just broke something. Governor's stuffed, so that linkage just come off. Oh, it works. Apart from the smoke. I don't think that second cylinder's run in a while. It would have just been full of oil. Oh well, that was fun. Did try and go runaway though. You gotta pull the bloody throttle lever back. Oh well. Thanks for watching.